Good day, everyone. Today's training is on how to impute items using the Excel method. So first off, we are going to log in to the app, imputing our login credentials. Next, we're going to get the pop-up for client confirmation. Click on yes, it's correct. And then there's another pop-up that talks about expiry notification and finishing items to close the notice. So once again, we click on inventory, and then you select the option inventory. Sometimes we can meet the inventory items empty. Not that they're empty, it's just refreshed. So we just need to refresh it. Once we refresh it, they come back. So we are about to impute items via Excel method. There are three methods to impute items into Store Harmony software. We have the supplier invoice method, we have the Excel method, and then we have the cloud method, that's transfer method, where you transfer directly from the cloud to the local store. So for now, we're using the Excel method. So the Excel method means there must be an Excel file that must have been created somewhere and it's needed to import. Now, on your Excel file, you're going to have the following columns, which is very, 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 very important. We have the top category column, we have the description, item product description column, we have the cost price column, we have the selling price column, and we have the quantity column. These are the five most important columns. Now you can also add the bulk price column, you can add loyalty price column, you can add subcategory column. So these are optional columns, but the first five I mentioned, those are the most important aspects. So first of all, once you have your items designed, you are going to make sure that you have Store Harmony on. You're going to make sure that you have the column filled up, and the item must be saved in Excel 97 stroke 2003 format. Very, very, very important. This being that we need to, it's important that you also note that once you save in that format, that is a format that Store Harmony understands much better. So this is my Excel file. I hope you can see it. So this is my Excel file. And you see I have a top category column, I have a subcategory column, I have a product title column, that's items to print title column, I have a quantity column, a cost price column, and a selling price column, that's also called unit price. And then I have rows 2 to 15 occupied with items. So let's go to Store Harmony now. So on Store Harmony, we're going to select the submenu stocking, and then you will see the option import or receive items via Excel file. You see it only 97 stroke 2003 format is supported for now. So once you click it, it opens a window. So this is the window where you have to map out your Excel files and your columns with the right items. First off, we browse the computer searching for the Excel file. So my Excel file is saved on my desktop, and it's called, this is the name of the file, items without cost. So if it was not saved in 7 stroke 2003, you won't find it here. So I'm selecting that. And then I also have it is saved under the sheets that has the sheet number. So there are two sheets here. I have a sales sheet and the new item sheet. So new item sheet. So I'm going to name the exact sheets I'm importing. So new sheets. Then next option is the product description. We're now going to map them. So description is column C. So we select column C for description. Subcategory is column B, correct. Top category is column A, correct. There's no brand category. So I put dash there. There's no variant category or color. Sorry. Then there's no size category. Then we have units. We have quantity is D, cost price is E, unit price is F. So quantity is D. Quantity is D. cost price is E, and unit price is F. So this is it. And I'm going to extend my expiring dates for a while. Then the next option here is the products data row. So I'm picking two, and just what is occupied is from row 2 to row 15. So I'll just put 16 just to be safe. So in the sub menu of the inventory import via Excel manager window, there are options. Excel configuration is the window we filled. The next is preview products. There's nothing there yet until you click on the preview products. The next option is invoice setting. Here we're going to pick a particular supplier. Now, I want to quickly explain here. For supermarket items which have different supplier, various supplier, the items are arranged according to their supplier on each page. But take note, it is not advisable to import supermarket kind of inventory into using the Excel method. No. The reason being that you have to track the invoice and item enter. So that's why it's good to use the Excel method, the supplier method for that. But every other business, this is actually the fastest form by which you can actually import items into the system. So I'm picking that option, and then I'm creating an invoice. The reason why I'm creating an invoice number is so I can spool out only this specific set of inventory I just entered. I want to have a batch, this batch. So there are options here: update quantity based on existing barcode, skip entries with zero quantity. Sometimes I can leave this checked or unchecked. So you can have, if I have any item in that column that has a quantity zero, it should skip it, and so on. So every other thing is in default. Then you come back to the Excel configuration page. Click on the import and preview page. Okay, it didn't work at first, so it means that there's a mistake. Okay, sorry, this sheet is not new sheet. It's new items. Sorry. Yes. So now once you click on import and preview page, it immediately imports everything. So it's just for you to proofread and make sure that they are all right and checkable price. Then the next option is import all items to store. So they have all been uploaded into the store automatically. So this is how to impute items into Power using the Excel method. Thank you.